Hi everyone, this is Komal from Ashirwad Jaipur. We are back with our all new collections. All the designs we showcase is our own manufacturing. So we deal in both wholesale as well as retail. For any orders or queries, contact us on 960-2265-888. I repeat, 960-2265-888. This is our one and only number on which we take orders. So let's start with our first design. We also take orders on our website, so you all can check our website. It is Ashirwad, AASHIRWAD, ashirwadjaipur.in. It is just ashirwadjaipur.in. You all can order from our website also. This is our first design in cotton chikankari. See the chikankari work all over on the kurta, on the sleeves. So this is just a kurti. We have 4 colors in this. This is yellow color. Second is this black color. Third is the pink color. And fourth is this white color. In this, sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 1095. Only 1095 is the price for this chikankari kurti. This is cotton, pure cotton. This is another design in cotton chikankari kurti. That was contrast work embroidery, and this is the same embroidery on the same color. So this is a pink color chikankari kurti with chikankari work. See the work all over, sequence work on the chikankari work. This is the pink color. Second is this bottle green color. Third is this pink color. And fourth is this black color. In this, we have sizes from 38 to 44 and the price is 1095 only. Now I'll show you all sets. This is a cotton set in shifli, pure. This is also chikankari work. See the embroidery all over. See the shifli border at the bottom. This is all work. This is not the print, just have a look. This is all embroidery all over the kurta. Just see the neck. This is original mirror work with this lacing on the neck. Pure cotton fabric. Pure cotton pants with this. And see the malmal dupatta with this. This is pure malmal dupatta. See the dupatta. In this, sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2295. We have 2 designs in this. One is this in green color. And second is this again in blue color. This is again complete chikankari work, embroidery all over on cotton shifli fabric. Inner is attached. This is cotton bottom with this, pants, and pure malmal dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is the same, 2295. Original mirror work on the neck. See the work. This is original mirror work. This is another design in cotton fabric with, see the embroidery. This is all embroidery again on all over with this shifli border at the bottom. Just see this cut work. This is all embroidery. See the nice print. Mirror work on the top with the sequence work, embroidery. Just see. This is original mirror work on the top. So this is the cotton kurta. Inner is attached. Cotton bottom with this and pure chiffon printed dupatta with this. See the very nice dupatta. We have again 2 colors in this. This is green and second is this pink color. So 2 colors, sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2495. 2495 is the price. This is another design in cotton fabric. This is all premium cotton. सारे customers लिख रहे हैं कि मैम आपके rates बढ़ गए, मेरे rates नहीं बढ़े हैं. It is all about cotton. This is as the summer season is going on, summers में सारे cottons के fabric अगर आप material भी देखने जाएंगे तो बहुत expensive है. सिर्फ ये fabric ही 110 rupees मीटर आता है. So उसके बाद embroidery, stitching, everything costs. And these are all premium cotton. ये बिल्कुल भी फेड नहीं होगा और shrink भी नहीं होगा. Zero shrinkage and zero this color fading. This is all guaranteed fabric. Just see. This is premium cotton with this chikankari work all over. Block print. Inner is attached. These are the cotton pants with this, with border at the bottom, and see the chiffon dupatta, pure chiffon dupatta with this. In this we have two colors. One is this pink color and second is this mango yellow color. This is a little darker yellow. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is only 2195. This is another design in cotton. Now see, this is also cotton. That was premium cotton. ये उससे थोड़ा सा lighter weight cotton है. So that's why इसका price only 1695 है, जबकि इसकी दुपट्टे पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा work है. But then the thing is, जैसी quality होगी वैसा ही पैसा लिया जाएगा. This is again a design in cotton with see the handwork on the neck, with lacing on the neck. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये shrink होगा या इसका color जाएगा, ऐसा भी नहीं है. This is also nice, but that is little premium और ये थोड़ा सा lower है उससे. So this is another design with this chikankari border at the bottom. This is cotton pants with this and organza dupatta with embroidery on the dupatta. See the dupatta. In this also we have two colors. Sizes are 38 to 44. Two colors and the price is only 1695. Only 1695 is the price for this. See the sleeves. Only 1695. Now this is another design in cotton with this handwork on the neck, crochet border at the neck. This is all patola print. This is embossed. This is not the print on the top. This is embossed in the fabric. So this is embossed print. Just see. This is the embroidery. See at the back. And this is the front. This is all in the fabric itself. Very nice premium fabric. These are very rich cotton suits. You can wear it in the functions also. These are very nice functional wear suits. See the sleeves with this embossed work. This is the cotton pants. In this lining is attached. Cotton pants with this. And see the dupatta. See the heavy look dupatta with this. This is all work and not this. See the back. This is all work on the dupatta. This is all worked. ये सारा हाथ का काम किया हुआ है इस पे. In this sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 3295. In this we have two designs. One is this and second I'll show you. 38 to 46, 3295 is the price. And this is another design in this. Again this is cotton. This is all work, hand work, hand embroidery you can say, but then this is embossed. वो embroidery ऊपर से आती है, ये fabric के अंदर से है. See. This is all embroidery. This is cotton fabric, pure cotton with inner attached. Just see the complete embroidery all over on the suit. Inner is attached. These are the pants, cotton pants, and see the dupatta. Very nice heavy dupatta with this, completely embroidered. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 3295. In both the suits, this work is there at the back also. 38 to 46 and 3295 is the price. At the back also work is there. Now this is another design in cotton fabric with see the embroidery and handwork on the neck. यही दो शुभ. Handwork on the neck. This is print at the bottom. Inner is attached. Pure cotton fabric, pure cotton bottom with this, and pure chiffon dupatta. Just see the very nice printing and see the dupatta. In this sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is only 2195. Work is there at the back also. See the back. This is the front and this is the back. complete print on the back. 38 to 44, 2195 is the price. Now this is in Malmal fabric. This is cotton Malmal with, see the embroidery on the neck with this plastic mirror work on the neck. This is pure Malmal, very nice soft fabric for the summers. Inner is attached. This is the pant with this, cotton pants, and see the pure Malmal dupatta with this. Printed Malmal dupatta with this. We have again two colors in this. This is full dupatta and not the stroll dupatta. See. In this we have two colors. One is this pink and second is the black. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 1995. Only 1995 is the price. This is another design in Malmal, cotton Malmal fabric with, see the complete handwork on the neck. Just see the work on the neck with the embroidery. This is cotton pants with this, and see the complete embroidered cotton dupatta with this. This is the dupatta with complete embroidery and sequence work. Just have a look at the dupatta. In this sizes are 38 to 46. In this sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 1995 again. Only 1995 is the price. This is another print in this same cotton Malmal with this handwork on the neck. See the handwork on the neck. This is cotton Malmal fabric. This is the cotton pants with this. And see the dupatta. Leheriya dupatta with embroidery and sequence work all over on the dupatta. Sizes are again 38 to 44 and the price is 1995. $38 to 44 and 1995 is the price. Complete sequence work on the dupatta. We have third print also in this. Again cotton Malmal with the handwork on the neck. Very nice block print suits. These are all block prints. Jaipuri, cotton pants, and see the dupatta. In this we have cutwork dupatta with embroidery. See, cutwork dupatta with embroidery and sequence work. Sizes are 38 to 44 and again 1995 is the price. Now this is another design in cotton in Angrakha pattern. So this is Angrakha with, see the mirror work on the neck. This is all original mirror work and not the plastic mirror work. This is all mirror work all over till the end of the Angrakha. So this is Angrakha neck. See the designing, tassels in the center. This is straight suit with Angrakha pattern. These are the cotton pants. And see the shibori dupatta with this. This is all shibori fabric. And we have two colors. One is this and second is this blue. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price for this is only 1795 for this Angrakha suits in straight. Only 1795 is the price. Now this is another design in cotton Malmal with, see the printed this complete print and handwork. Very little handwork but it is spreaded. See, this is all sequence work. This is handwork. Rest is the print. This is Malmal fabric, cotton Malmal pants with this, and see the Malmal dupatta with this. This is stroll dupatta, but see the print. Sizes are 38 to 46. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 2095. Print is there at the back also and on the sleeves also. Just see, this is the back and I'll show you the sleeves. 38 to 46, 2095 is the price. This is another design in cotton with, see the embroidery. This is all block print with little sequence work on the neck. See the nice printing at the bottom all over on the kurta. This is cotton handloom fabric. See the handloom fabric pants. And this is the malmal dupatta with this. This is full dupatta. This is cotton malmal full dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is only 1695. Another design in cotton with see the lacing on the neck. Again this is a handloom fabric with see the crochet detailings at the bottom of the kurta. Cotton, again this is a cotton fabric, handloom with this lacings on the pant on cotton, and see the hand brush paint cotton malmal dupatta with this. Just have a look at the dupatta. Hand brush paint cotton dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 2095. Now I'll show you some designs in Chanderi. This is a Chanderi fabric with see the embroidery all over. This is all embroidery on the Chanderi fabric. Very nice soft Chanderi fabric. Inner is attached. Cotton lining in this, so you'll not feel hot. इसमें सारे में cotton मलमल की lining लगी हुई है. Very nice for summers. You'll not feel hot in this. Cotton pants with this, and Kota Doria dupatta with this. See the back with complete embroidery. This is all embroidery at the back. Beautiful back. This is the front, and full Kota Doria dupatta with this. Just have a look. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 2795. Now I'll go a little quick as my customers are waiting outside. This is another design in Chanderi fabric with see the handwork on the neck, gotapatti work all over. This is all Chanderi fabric with the Jaipuri block print on Chanderi. Inner is attached, cotton inner, malmal. This is cotton pants with this. And see the Chanderi dupatta with this. See the beautiful print. This is the dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 2595. Only 2595 is the price. Now this is another design in Chanderi fabric with see the handwork on the neck. Sorry, this is all machine work and not the handwork, but this is the work on the neck. And this is pure Chanderi, very nice soft fabric. Inner is attached, cotton inner with this cotton pants. And see the beautiful dupatta with this. The complete grace of the suit comes with this dupatta. Just see the dupatta. Complete cutwork dupatta in Chanderi. The print is beautiful. The work is there on all the two sides. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 2795. Another design in Chanderi fabric. This is again Chanderi block print with see the work on the neck. This is all worked Chanderi fabric. Inner is attached, cotton inner with these cotton pants, and see the dupatta. Again the dupatta is bandage with this work, cut work. The dupatta itself is very, very beautiful. See the dupatta. This is the dupatta. In this sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 2695. We have two colors. One is this mustard yellow color and second is this green color. So two colors in this. 38 to 46 and 2695 is the price. So now last design in Chanderi fabric. Again in block print with see the gotapatti work and handwork on the neck. Again a Chanderi fabric kurta. Inner is attached, cotton inner with see the cotton pants with this, and this is the Chanderi dupatta with this. See the Chanderi dupatta, printed dupatta. We have two colors in this. One is this blue color and second is this wine color. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 2695. Today in almost every suit we have 46. बहुत दिन से सारे customers complain कर रहे हैं मैम 46 में दीजिए. So 46 in all, 38 to 46, 2695 is the price. Now I'll show you some designs in muslin fabric. This is a muslin kurta with see the embroidery. This is all embroidery with this organza cut work designing. This is also organza border at the bottom with this shifly lacing on the sides. Just see the designing of the suit. See the sleeves, beautiful sleeves. Just see the kurta. This is all embroidery. This is designing at the bottom. See the pants with organza border at the bottom with this lace. Cotton inner again attached, so you will not feel hot in this. सब में कॉटन के ही अस्तर हैं तो किसी को भी गर्मी नहीं लगेगी. And this is organza dupatta with this. Printed organza dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 44 and 2795 is the price. Two colors. One is this blue. Second is this creamish green color and this is the blue color. This is another design in muslin fabric with see the embroidery, see the detailings, organza detailings with embroidery. This is complete embroidery all over on the suit. See the Pakistani look sleeves. This is a Pakistani look suit only with the sleeves, Pakistani sleeves, embroidery on the sleeves with crochet detailings. Again cotton inner attached, pants with embroidery. And see the organza printed dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2695. This is another design in muslin fabric with this embroidery all over on the suit. See the organza detailings again. Crochet detailings on the bottom. Cotton inner attached. Muslin pants with organza detailings. And organza dupatta with this. Printed organza. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2695. Now this is a pure muslin fabric suit with this gota patti work on the neck, with leather patchwork on the neck. This is all work at the bottom. See the original mirror work at the bottom of the kurta. These are the muslin pants with this, cotton inner attached, muslin pants. And pure chiffon dupatta with this. In this sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 2895 only. Another design in pure muslin fabric with see the leather patchwork all over. See the leather patchwork over here also on this boota, on this. So leather patchwork all over on the suit. Afghani pants with this. And pure chiffon dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 2895 only. And now only one design in organza. This is the organza top and the inner is muslin. Just see, muslin printed suit with organza kurta at the top and see the work. See the embroidery at the bottom. So such a designer suit with this embroidery on the neck, embroidery all over on the suit, muslin pants with this and organza dupatta with this. Cut work dupatta. The dupatta is also very beautiful in this. Organza dupatta with embroidery. Sizes are 38 to 44. And the price is 2595 only. Now few designs in anarkali suits. This is a beautiful anarkali in cotton fabric with see the sequence work on the top. See the beautiful printing. जब से स्टोर में आई है 2 days हुए हैं, शूट भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और ऑलमोस्ट ऑल सारा स्टॉक इसमें खत्म होने वाला है. So this is a cotton anarkali with this sequence work. These are the pants. And this is the cotton dupatta with this. In this sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is only 2395. This is another design in cotton anarkali. Just see the flare of the suit. Very nice anarkali in cotton Jaipuri print. See the neck. Just have a look at the sleeves with these detailings on the sleeves. crochet tailings at the bottom of this anarkali. These are the printed cotton pants with this, and see the dupatta with this. Full dupatta in Jaipuri print. So we have two colors in this. One is this grey color and second is this yellow color. Both the colors are very nice. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is only 2195. Only 2195 is the price. This is another design in this anarkali suit. See this Jaipuri anarkali. See the print. Just have a look at the neck with little handwork on the neck. See the sleeves. See the beautiful color combinations in this. This gives a very traditional Jaipuri look with this pants. And see the cotton dupatta with this. Full dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is only 2395. And the last piece, the one I'm wearing, just have a look. This is a muslin kurta with see the handwork on the neck. See the organza border at the bottom with embroidery. See the pants with this embroidery on the pants. And see the organza dupatta with this. We have two colors. One is this green. See the sleeves with this organza border with embroidery. All the organza borders are embroidered. So this is complete pure muslin fabric suit. We have two colors. One is this green and the second the one I'm wearing. So two colors in this. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2495 only. So 2495 is the price for this. Sorry, 3495 is the price for this. This is pure muslin and completely embroidered. So 3495 is the price with this handwork on the neck and handwork on the embroidery. 3495 is the price. I repeat. So that's all for today. Please book as soon as possible and give us some time for your queries to be resolved. Thank you so much everyone.